And this is a 2-pack, by the way. Let's just open it up and see what we get in it here. I've actually not even opened these, but I wanted to show you guys and open them with you. So in this side is one. We'll just do one at a time, and I'll show you exactly what you get. You get this side, you get the instructions. And let me go over some of the instructions. Here's the hardware. Here's the tools you're going to need. You're going to need, you know, a drill, screwdrivers, flathead, step ladder, things like that. LED motion sensor light. How about that? And you get a remote with it. This right here just kind of like goes over on how to turn it on, how to use the remote, and some of the features of that. Oh, here's some of the specs of this thing. 1.6 watt solar panel. Input is 4.2 volts, 5 watts. The light pattern is 6,500 K lithium ion batteries, and it looks like it's around about 1,300 milliamps maybe. So yeah, and this is suitable for wet environments because, you know, it is somewhat waterproof. Obviously, you don't want to completely drench it down, but I think rain and all that will be just fine on it. Some features over the remote and all that. You know what? Enough of that. Let's just open it up and see what we get. And I'm showing you the one here. Like I said, you get 2 of them. Looks like you get a little bracket right here, and then some hardware. Looks like 4 screws, and they give you the screws that can also go in wood or sheetrock. And then to set this thing up, you're going to fold it out just like this. And this is the remote sensor, right? I mean, the motion sensor is right there. See how it all folds down? So it's very nice and compact. I like the fact that I can turn these and have it like facing like that and have these going down or out to the side. And then what I'm going to do is mount this bracket, and then I'll just slide this down the bracket, and I think you're good to go, everybody. That's it. Once you do that, it's on there. And then when you want to move it or take it out, you can just remove it like that. Turning it on, looks like there's a little button right up here. Maybe turn the panel down. Oh, there it is. Let's see if we, oh yeah, cover that up. Whoa, look at that. That looks awesome, everybody. Look at all those LEDs on this thing. Yeah, this is going to be great. Let me go ahead and install this on that pole. Then we'll come back and I'll show you some nighttime footage, and then we'll see what this thing looks like at night. Okay, you can see how I installed it right here. I just screwed it into this pole right here using a drill, and I got a ladder here, and I just screwed the 2 screws in, and then this just slides on there and it's in place. Now, when you come up my driveway, it will signal this. Some nighttime footage, and check this thing out now. Okay, everybody, it's nighttime now, so let's check this out. I'm walking up to it. You can see my hand. Watch when I get close to the light. I'm about probably 10 feet from it. Boom, right there. So I'm guessing maybe right here's maybe 15 to 20 feet. Now I do have it about 15 foot up on the pole. You can see the light and see all the light that it generates. I've got it facing somewhat over that way and then around this way. And then looking at it from the back side right here, right back here, you can see how it looks from the back and see how it just lights up my driveway. And this is what I wanted. And then here's the remote right here. And what I've got, there's 3 different modes. When you hit the mode like that, I've got it on mode 1. There's a mode 2. And if I want it off, I can turn it off, and see, I can turn it back on. So I like that feature too. And I can actually turn it down. See how it's getting a little darker? So that's on the lowest mode. And that will help conserve the power of it. It is wintertime, so I don't have a lot of power right now. But everybody, I think this is a great option for just want to have some motion light going on. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got today on the, you know, the 2-pack motion light. See you all in the next video.